Okay, so this is the pour. We got the concrete pump. This pump is gonna take the concrete from the truck, bring it down to all the way up. These are our footings for our steel posts. We've got 4 anchor bolts, and then we've got a little bit of rebar down to the bottom. Yellow stuff's a vapor barrier. What the vapor barrier does is it keeps any moisture from the earth and the ground to come up, stops it from coming up into the house. Number 3 rebar, 2 foot on center, the smaller stuff, 3/8. We've got our number 4 in the footing, 1 on the top, 1 down at the bottom. These are called verticals, number 4. And those are gonna be every 32 inches, sitting on top of a 3-inch dobie. And then in the slab, we have 2-inch dobies. That's all our in-slab plumbing that we already did. And then under this slab, we have 4 inches of gravel. So, then you can see here, these are our anchor bolts. This right here, this is a holder for the anchor bolt. It holds it where it needs to be inside of a 2x6 wall. Okay. And then later we'll put the bottom plate on top of this and bolt it down. These are called hold downs. This is the SSTV is what it's called. These are for shear walls. So what is going to happen is when we start framing, this bolt's actually going to get a special piece of equipment that creates the shear wall for its structural detail. And so this is a special kind of hardware that you're going to show on the plans, usually HD or hold down, something like that. And you see this guy's little crooked right here. What's going to happen is as they pour, before they finish up, you're going to just realign it and get everything nice and straight. Interior, in this case, we're going to wet set some bolts inside of here. So we're going to put the bolts in while the concrete's still wet. And over here, usually fill the footings up first, that way you do the slab all at the same time. So that's what he's doing. Filling up the slab. This is our Euchre ground. So this is going to go to our electrical panel. This is a copper wire that attaches to a 20-foot piece of rebar. It's bonded to the rebar with the bonding clamp there and there. And then this will act as the ground for the electric panel. It's a really good way to do it. It's pretty much code now.